Okay. Speed.
And you can walk. And you're going to walk to the second car then. Chevy or whatever.
And here they'll have a good dialogue.
That's good, right? Great, thank you. And we'll do it now without Yoda.
Unless Yoda's hovering. They do the Yoda hover.
Speed.
And speed. And a little slower, please. Look to Yoda. Give me a growl, head back. Great.
Just line up everybody right here. Just cycling through like Santa Claus.